Crazy photo time. There we are. Hey, good everyone, just logging on here for another day of fun and frivolity, and we're starting with Uber. The bonus they've given me, or the sort of the quest they've given me, was sort of one to sort of stay in my local area, if you like. I've hit the first 2 levels, and that's netted me $30 over the last few days. Today's the last day of it, and I've got 9 more deliveries to do to hit sort of the next level. So I might hit that. I might focus on hitting that today. Stay in the local area and get that done. Then I might head into the city. Yeah, the area is pretty much area for the quest bonusy thing today is pretty much bordered by Ashfield in the west, Croydon Ashfield area, sort of to the west, and all the way up to Drummoyne, which is where I'm headed now. I don't think we're going towards Ashfield, and that is you're up to the Parramatta Road, and it can get quite hilly. Not just that, you're further away, a bit further away from the city as well, so it just helps use less battery. Weather conditions today, as you can probably tell, there's a little bit of wind around, so you'll probably hear that in the later videos, or later video today, I should say. Nice sunny 18 degrees, which is good, because a couple of days ago we had what they say, I don't know how true it is or whatever, but they reckon it was the coldest Sydney day in 108 years. That did not worry me one bit, mate. Just got straight out on the bike and said, yeah, let's slap it up. Yeah, how do I cope with this sort of weather? As you saw in the last video, I think it's my last one, which was quite a popular video. But yeah, as I had in the last video, I've got like a little, it's like a swimming cap type thing, but it's more for cycling. Keeps the warmth from leaving your body through your head, which is good. Yeah, just added that to my little thingy, and I've also gone and bought some merino wool base layer tops. So now I've just added basically those 2 things. And I tried sort of wearing a like a throat protector, I think you call it. You can actually sort of fold that up to make it like a little head cover and throat, but I gave that up because it was just getting too hot. And it wasn't really worth it. Even yeah, 10 o'clock at night, you still get too hot with the throat cover thing. So yeah, but yeah, that's what I've found the first few days of winter. Otherwise, yeah, it's a standard plain jumper, t-shirt, and yes, shorts. A lot of people like to comment, oh my god, you're only wearing shorts. Okay, yeah, because my legs are moving for 8 hours, or 6, 8, 10 hours a day. There's no real need to wear long pants, because then you just get legs just get sweaty and stinky, and I prefer not to be stinky when I'm dropping people's food off. Anyway, speaking of the previous video, that was quite a successful one. Normally I have sort of 8, 9, 10 views on my videos, but the last one I had, I think it's up to 45 views, which is, you know, 4 times the usual amount. Thank you all for watching that one. It was a good fun one to make, that one. Remember we hit the record day of, I'm pretty sure that was the day we hit the record of $477. But yeah, today won't be anything like that. It's be a nice, relaxed, lazy Sunday. As I said, I'll do the 9 orders, which I'd say will be most likely between Chamoyne Macca's up in that direction, and probably do a couple around Balmain, which is down that way. So I'm just going to cruise Victoria Road for a bit and sort of see how we go with that, and then, yeah, as I said, head to the city. And the bonus, if I hit those 9, bonus will be an extra $50 once I hit those 9 in this geographical area. Yeah, it's rather, ooh, there we are. Subway Birkenhead Point to Warringah. Yeah, you know what, I might do that. Warringah's heading back that way, but I figure fuck it, it's one on the Inner West Quest, shall we say? The Inner West Quest, that's the name of the video. Yeah, but it's $50 extra if I get up to the 9, so do that and should be good. And yeah, speaking of other food delivery platforms as well, did a Menulog one the last 2 nights. Jumped on the Menulog for a long time in a while because they sent me an email saying, oh, we've missed you, come back and we'll give you a $100 bonus if you do 20 deliveries between the 8th of June and the 26th of June. So I thought, that's pretty easy money, so I thought, okay. Jumped on, and on Friday night I did, I think, 8 deliveries, earned 80 or 90 bucks. So, okay, sweet. Then last night I jumped on, 3-hour shift again between about 5 PM and 8 PM. I only made about 40 bucks, which I thought was very strange. But that's how it is, I guess. So yeah, I'll keep with that. So I'm 11 trips into that one, so 7 and 4 or whatever it is. So yeah, I'll do the other 2 next week for the 26th, hopefully. And get the $100 bonus. Anyway, trying to get this Subway order picked up. I'll catch you in one of the later videos. It's a Queen's birthday long weekend as well, forgot to mention. And we are coming to Birkenhead Point Shopping Centre. Yes, this is the traffic going to Birkenhead. Why would you bother? Savings and the deals you get really aren't that great. Don't know why people would bother coming to Birkenhead Point from all over Sydney. Just order it online, you get it cheaper. But I guess everyone has their reasons, so. Anyway, can get these 2 picked up. Charlie's currently top of the leaderboard in the charcoal chicken roasting steaks. I did say in the last video I was thinking about doing a Bell's hot chicken one, but I looked them up and they're more of a burger type place. They're not really a charcoal chicken type place, so I thought I'll give them a miss. So yeah, there is one other one that I actually thought of doing as well. pop them on the leaderboard and see how they sort of go. That is Zest. That's the little restaurant I might crack at next. See where they fit on the leaderboard. I could almost go now, but I've only just had lunch, so it's not really worth it. Come back another day and see where they fit in on the leaderboard. Seems to be quiet down here, so doubt we'll get too many along here. Might head up along Lyons Road. Is that way you got Macca's up there, you got Douglas, Charlie's. You got a lot more places up there, so much more chance of getting orders up there. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next one. Yeah, it's been a bit quiet in the in my area here, so I might head on over to Balmain. They say we'll pick up 3 or 4 over there at least, and get closer to the quest and the bonus. Another thing too I'll mention is Vivid, which is currently happening in sort of the centre of Sydney. Sort of all different spots, sort of all over. I think I mentioned it in the last video, but tonight it will actually be on. So I might go past a few of the spots where they've got light thingies happening and show you all. It sort of, I don't know, it looks a little bit underwhelming considering all the hype they make of it, but I don't know, maybe that's just me. But yeah, we'll go in and have a look, and I'll show you, and you can make up your own minds. That'll be later tonight. It's currently what is it, nearly 2:30 p.m, so another couple of hours we'll head in there, go to Balmain first, do a couple around there, then head into the city and have a look at Vivid and whatever weird and wonderful things that happen on a Sunday in Sydney City. Quick little stop off I forgot to make earlier. Being winter, I've got a few clothes that I no longer need, so they're in good condition, so give it to those that actually need them. Ooh, people have been very generous. Good stuff. Good stuff. But yeah, if you can, you've got stuff you don't need, give it to those that need it. As I said, we've got the coldest winter in 108 years apparently, about to hit, so we had the coldest day in 108 years, I said earlier, but they reckon things are only going to get colder too, so definitely if you've got any clothes that are in good condition that you no longer wear, find a clothing bin and whack them in there, so people need it. In my room from my last video, I reversed my car into my mum's, which means it's been written off. So yes, I've had to sell a large portion of my investment to be able to go and get another second-hand car, which I'm getting this Wednesday. All going well. You just notice there the fuel price. Just over $2 a litre, but the stuff I put in my car is the 95 RON fuel, and that stuff's $2.34 a fucking litre. Fucking hell. Good thing I've been working the last few days, so I'll be able to put fuel in the new car. Anyway, I'm heading over to Balmain now to hopefully get another couple. I've got another 5 to go in the quest, so I dare say that should come up pretty quickly over at Balmain. Get those done and we'll head to the city. Here we are at Darling Street at Roselle, heading down to Balmain. Nice quiet summer afternoon. And speaking of Balmain, we head to the West Tigers, and coach Michael Maguire has finally been sacked, and as we speak, the Tigers are playing their first game under a caretaker coach, if you like, Brett Kimmorley, who apparently coached I think it was the under-20s team back in 2015, and he did pretty well with them. So I reckon he'll go well, Brett Kimmorley, for us this year. He'll get us a few wins, so that should be good, I think. Then the Tigers will have a problem at the start of next year. To keep Noddy Kimmorley, or to get rid of him and put someone else in. I'll say we should keep him. Give him a year or two. As I said, I think he'll do really well as coach of the Tigers. And he's a young up-and-coming coach too, so it's a good chance for him to prove himself. Anyway, as I said, the Tigers are playing Manly at the moment, and they're currently 6-4 down, just after half-time. So, yeah, good things. As I said, good things look like they're going to happen for the Tigers under Kimmorley. Anyway, let's head deep into Balmain and hopefully get a few orders. Balmain Hospital. Had to go there a couple of years ago, and I had a condition called, well, at the time I didn't know what it was, but called vestibular neuritis, where your vestibular system just completely fucks up, all because of a nerve that gets inflamed or damaged. It's kind of like the symptoms of it are kind of like vertigo, so you sort of can't see properly and your balance is all off, because that's what your vestibular system is. And yeah, at the time I went there, no one knew what it was. All I was there sent me home with, just said, vertigo, and gave me a few techniques to try and make it better. It did make it slightly better, but it continued for another week or so, so it actually got worse. So I got to the point where I said, look, let's go to RPA. And even at RPA, they didn't know 100% what it was when they were testing me and everything, but yeah, thankfully got found out and found what it was, and did a little bit of rehab, which was mostly going like this and going like this and doing all sorts of walking exercises to get your balance back and your sort of vision as well. So some funny rehab exercises, but that was it worked, and yeah, of course now I'm back to normal, thankfully. So yeah, big thank you to Balmain Hospital there for the work they did for me. Bloody hell. Come all this way over to Balmain. Oh, I shouldn't say all this way, maybe a kilometre or so. And got nothing. Then I'll just get an order from back at Birkenhead Point. Going back to Drummoyne. I may as well go over and do, oh, there's another one coming. There's a Forest Chiswick. Nah. I like that Chiswick one back, because it's way too far outside the area that I want to be. So I'll get to that Burko one back to Drummoyne, and hopefully get another couple there, maybe, who knows. Then head to the city. Just me or what? People are still screaming into Birkenhead. And it's what, 3:30 in the afternoon. That's crazy if you ask me. And yeah, I've just picked up another second delivery from a Porto down the food court here, so that'll put me to 7 out of 10. So we're getting closer. It's slow, but we're getting closer. Okay, it's just gone 5:15 PM, and I've got my 10th order in the Inner West Quest. It is from IGA here on Darling Street. I'll pick that one up, get it delivered, and we'll head into the city and catch a bit of Vivid. Alrighty, quest complete. Got the last one delivered. A couple of groceries orders from IGA there. Total for the day so far, including that bonus, is $106. It took a while to get there. You know, that's how it is sometimes, I guess. Very, very sort of quiet sort of day in this area too, so. But, all good. Now that's done, I can head to the city and show you guys a bit of Vivid, and I'll do a couple of deliveries obviously as well while I'm in the city. Okay, I'll catch you all in there. Alright, this is the first little light installation I came down to show you all, but it looks like it's not on yet. So I might do a couple of deliveries, and by the time I do them, they'll all come on. So it's bell salt chicken going down to the rocks. Yeah, why not? Alrighty, so we'll go and pick this one up, and then yeah. We'll come back here later and should be on, but should be a nice little sight. This is Barangaroo. Not really much in the way of Vivid I can do, but yeah. Oh well. Get these two picked up. Turned on. They're supposed to be like a big spider, maybe? Yeah, whatever. Anyway, there's 2 orders for bell salt chicken to deliver, so we'll get those done, and who knows where we'll end up after that. Alrighty, just got a couple of orders that from the they were at Crown Street Dining Grill. They brought me down to King's Cross, so head back to the city now for the sake of saving a bit of battery and all. Currently I've got up to $143, and that includes that bonus, so that's better. And it's 7 PM, so sort of dinner time and that. So I'd say CBD should be a good good spot back in the cities that way. So I'll head down there, see if I can see a bit more of the Vivid shows as well, which I'd hate to leave without getting more of it. Okay, on we go. Okay, another thing that's happening in Sydney as well at the moment, at least I think it is the Sydney Film Festival. June 8 to June 19. A lot of people here watching movies, eh? I think it's just a promotional thing for it. Gavin Irvine, filmmaker from the UK, where are you, mate? Bring one of your award-winning movies down under. People love them.
I understand that.
And if you so feel inclined to help Gavin out, he's currently seeking donations to get his current movie. It's about cycling. Trying to think of the name. Trying to remember the name of it. It is Little Dipper or Bust. The name of the movie. I'll whack the link in the video here for you if you want to go and support him. And I'm sure he'll also approve of me putting a link up with a little trailer of the video. I won't give a spoiler or anything here, I won't tell you what it's about, but yeah, I'll basically tell you it's a cycling race. It's about a cycling race. And yeah, as I said, he's a multi-award winning filmmaker he's actually from Northern Ireland, but he lives in London, he's based in London, so he's got a fair few indie or sort of lower level sort of movies, so and they've all done quite well from the last few years. Good on you, Gav, and hopefully this next one can get you a few more awards. Little Dipper or bust. Anyway, I might head down to Circular Quay now and see what Vivian's got on down at Circular Quay for us. I've just logged off, so not on the clock or anything, not in a mad hurry. We'll just go and see what we can see. So we've got thousands of people, and I can just see the Harbour Bridge lit up down there as well. Some music. I might come back up this way, I think. The crowd's too big, I'm not going to bother. Something big on there. A lot of people. Head back up, I think. On the other side and see what we can see. Yeah, no, I might give that a miss. The crowd's a bit too big. We'll give that a miss as well. Jeez, there's heaps of people out. God. Head down the other end of the city towards down near Central Station. They've got a few things on as well. Might be able to see one or two things down there. But as I said earlier, it is a bit overhyped. It's a bit they make too much of a big deal out of it. It's like, really? Is that all it is? Oh yeah. It's down near Central Station there. They've actually got a building down there which is actually lit up, which you can see. So I'll take you all down there and we'll see that. At least that's something. Here's George Street, Sydney. So towards the main street of Sydney sort of thing. They've reduced, at night time they've reduced the number of trams while it's on. So people all over the street, up and down the tram tracks here. Yeah, as you can see, lots and lots of people are out and about. As I said, we're heading down to Central Station there. And then I might head over to Darling Harbour again. Catch a bit of the water show at Darling Harbour after that. Possibly head home after that, we'll just see. Down on the goods line as well. Jump up here and ride along and show you the show. Quite sure it's this video or something, maybe. Boxes up there, and that comes to the end of this part of it. Go and show you the big building down there, Central Station. Yeah, I'll go down and show you the building I've got down near Central Station. It's actually near Central Station, it's the actual light of the clock tower of Central Station. We've got sort of lit up. There we go. That doesn't look too bad, that, see? It's actually worth making a big deal of, I think. It's all down here with hardly anyone. You tell me. If we're ever on down the other end of the city with hardly anything, we got this right here and we got no one down here. That's Sydney for you, I guess. Anyway, yeah, time is now 7:30, so still plenty of time to do another couple of orders. Might do that, jump on and see how we can get. Okay, here we are. Piedmont Bridge. Fair old crowd, but I'll try and get through here and I'll try and get a shot of the water show. Try and avoid running over kids as well. Not really see it all that well. There we go. So we got a walkway across the water down there as well. People that want to walk over. I think I'll pass. I'll be going over the bridge here. There's also quite a big crowd down there as well, so I won't be going down there. Up here's not too bad actually. What I was expecting. Yeah. There's some speakers up here playing the music. A bit more light show for you. Water show, sorry. Light and water. So I just got 2 deliveries from Piedmont, taking them back over to the city. And we're going to come back through here on the way home. Out of all the madness of the city, Piedmont Bridge and everything. Showed you all a bit of vivid there. 1 or 2 things worth looking at, but in my opinion it's grossly overhyped. So yeah, I think that ends the day. I think ended up with $157, which was about what I was sort of expecting. As said earlier, the main thing I wanted was that bonus, so I'm very happy with the day. Got the bonus, came to the city, came with a bit of vivid. Now I'll head home, have some dinner, go to bed. Don't think I'll go out tomorrow because I know a lot of restaurants will be closed tomorrow, being public holiday, so I'll give tomorrow a rest. Anyway, I hope you've all enjoyed watching. It's probably a much shorter video than usual, which I know you'll all love. Yeah, people sitting there watching TV, having their dinner. So what time is it now? It's just after 8:30. So I'll stop off here. Okay, so thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm about to head home and have dinner. I'll catch you all in the next video. What I might do too. Video here on the way home. This is New Jamon Pool. seeing the bin chickens. Pop up in my videos from time to time. This is where they sleep. Look at the way they sleep. They just stand on the branch, tuck their heads away, and they're out for the night. Unbelievable. Look, look. Sydney's busiest road right next to it. And they're able to just tuck their heads inside there, wherever they tuck their heads. And they sleep. Oop, oop, one's just waking. There you go, buddy. So mate, back to sleep. Yeah, it's amazing. The tree's full of them. Anyway, sleep well, buddy. How they sleep like that, I'll never know. But anyway, that's just a little bit extra there for you. The technical name for those birds is ibis, I-B-I-S. Otherwise affectionately known by all Aussies as bin chickens. They're the birds that you see raiding the bins. Anyway, we'll finish that off here. Once again, hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.